Hey guys, okay, real quick, I'm making another one of the mountain scene key ring holders that have that quilt effect or barn quilt effect. And if you notice when you do these, a lot of times there's a ton of like all these little parts that you've got to keep to do some of the highlights. And I just wanted to show you my hack for not losing these when I take it off the laser. So as soon as it's done cutting, I will go ahead and put some just blue painter's tape on it. And then I use my squeegee and I squeegee it down, and that way I don't lose any of my pieces. And let me show you real quick. Get this thing to work. Okay. When I go to peel it up, it peels the pieces, some of the smaller pieces for me. So now I don't have to worry about losing it. And then I just kind of roll it up and I stick it here so I know where it is. So all those little pieces that I would have lost in my tray or as I was moving it, I've got now stuck to my painter's tape, and I don't have to worry about losing those. And I've got these pieces that were stuck in that I don't have to worry about losing either because they came with me with my tape. Hopefully that helps you guys. Talk to you soon.